Tonight, we gather to celebrate a significant moment in the life of our Eagles Club, the induction of our new members. This ceremony marks not just the growth of our organization, but the infusion of fresh ideas and energy and passion. Let us celebrate this evening with joy and anticipation for the great things we will accomplish together. Welcome to the Eagles Club.
Padayon ta sa ato ang gi-promise sa katauhan, especially diri sa ato ang lugar sa Nabunturan Central Eagles Club, Nabunturan Municipality of Nabunturan, na ang Nabunturan Central Eagles Club nagakandak og activities na makapaayo, makatabang to those, especially to those people who need us, no? Katong mga lagyo na mga lugar, magkandak ta o community service kanunay.
Congratulations to our new inductees. May your membership in the Fraternal Order of Eagles be a source of pride and inspirations as you continue to make a difference in the world. With this, I wish and pray that this organization will grow and develop with God's blessings, that each member will earn joy and fulfillment in all the future endeavors that will be had, and that this brotherhood and fraternal ties will lead to the greater service to God, to country, and to the community.
Isn't it obvious? You're right in front of me with the answer. With the answer.
2024 by the Nabotoran Central Eagles Club is hereby approved and carried.